Hello viewers, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where I make survey practices easier and educative. So here in this video, I want to show you the second alternative, which is the second approach to recovering your lost CAD drawing from PDF to AutoCAD. So like I said in the first video, in the part 1 of this video, I told you that I lost this layout design along the design process. So in that video, the first series, the dimensions was on the boundary lines, that is the bearing and the distances. However, in this second approach, there is no dimensions on the drawing, so I'll be making use of the scale bar to rescale. So in your case, you may find yourself in such situation that there's no dimensions in any way on the drawing, but there's just the scale bar. Therefore, I'm going to use the second alternative in the course of this video. Let's get started. So you come to your AutoCAD work environment, you start a new drawing. All right, then you come to insert, navigate to PDF import, then you click on PDF import, then you navigate to the folder where you have your PDF data. So I have it under plans. All right, so here it is, layout design, then you click on open. Nothing to do much here, you click on OK. So that is the first thing. It's going to automatically convert the PDF to AutoCAD DWG editable drawing for you. Right, so that's just it. And in the course of that video, I measured the dimension on one of the boundary lines. However, in this video I'll be using the scale bar. So this is how to measure the scale bar. So from this 0 grads, it is expected to reach 0 to 50 meters. So the length from this 0 grads to this line is expected to be 50 meters. So let's quickly measure by coming to utilities, click on measure, click on distance, then make sure your whole snap is activated, then you click on this to this. So here, as you can see, the distance is 0.8167. all right, it is not 50 meters. So that is the first challenge. So when you convert PDF to AutoCAD drawing, it is not going to be onto scale. So this is how you scale the drawing. All right, you scale all the drawing to the right distance. Therefore, let me quickly show you on how to scale this drawing to the right scale. However, the first factor you are going to need to scale this drawing to the right distance, to the right length, is the scale factor. Therefore, I will quickly show you on how to calculate the scale factor. Alright, so come to your command line, then you search for calc, which is calculator, quick calculator, you click on that. Alright, then you are going to calculate the distance from this to this. As calculated earlier, it's 0.8167. all right, so you copy the distance that is actually on the drawing. Okay, 0.8167 according to my drawing. So you calculate yours, so you measure yours, then you copy the distance you are seeing. All right, so according to the original dimension of this drawing that was converted to PDF initially, it's expected to be 0 to 50 meters. So what you would do is 50, which is the 50 meters original scale of this drawing, divided by the calculated or measured distance, which is 0.8167. all right, so I'm showing you on how to calculate for the scale factor that we are going to be using to scale the drawing. All right, then you click on equals. So here is the scale factor that is calculated. I'm going to highlight it, you right click, then you copy. So that is how to calculate for the scale factor. Then you can close this window. Then the next thing is to come to your command line, then you search XC, which is the scale. You will see the icon above, you click on it. Then the next thing is to select all of the drawing, to select all objects. All right, then you click on enter. So you see the next instruction to specify base points. You click on any edge of the frame, you click on that. Then you see the next instruction is to specify scale factor. So you come to the command line after the semicolon, then you paste the calculated scale factor, then you click on enter. Therefore, automatically it is going to scale your drawing to the right length. So therefore, let us confirm the length of the scale bar. So you come to utilities, come to measure, click on distance, then you measure again. So you can see here it is 49.998, approximately that is 50 meters. So let us confirm for the other side of the scale bar. Same process, click on from the 0, then here it is 100.099. so the little decimal distortion is really allowable. So that is actually allowable, and it is okay by me compared to starting the design process from the starting. All right, it is going to take time and it is going to cost me a lot. All right, so that is how to scale the drawing to the right scale. Then lastly, you are expected to georeference the drawing to the right coordinates based on what is quoted on the drawing. So guys, you can refer back to my video on how to georeference using the quoted coordinates in the first part of this video, so that I won't take your time and I will not be repeating the process all over again. Please refer back to the video to see how to georeference the drawing to the right coordinates. If you find this video helpful and informative, please do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on the notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.